So with Perceptiv, not only do we have the expertise in being able to understand how the sensors are communicating and ultimately the data that we're receiving from them, but also the ability to analyze the information coming out of the equipment that we're monitoring. Regal Rexnord has about 125 years worth of expertise in motors, bearings, and other industrial powertrain applications that makes us both the experts in reliability and product development.
With automation solutions, we can do anything from a single conveyor to a full line conveyor, from one conveyor to many conveyors, up to 100, 200 conveyors over a full stream. Every conveyor now coming out of Regal Rexnord is equipped with the Perceptiv vibration and temperature sensor that we can reach out to the gateway and have it communicate.
Yeah, I'd also like to add that not only are we experts in being able to monitor vibrational data, but we can also take a look at motor current. We can also take a look at other modalities that may be interesting to a particular customer and their needs. Based off of that information, we can take the data from the vibrational analysis and the data from other modalities and pair that together to create a true reliability overview of your equipment. So with the Perceptiv platform, you have the option to work with our reliability engineers to really provide you with analysis around the actual vibrational data coming out of the sensors. Whether you're able to self-analyze or whether you rely on our team to analyze for you, we have solutions for both.
That's a good point. You can either manage it, operate it yourself, take a look at your own data, or you can have our team taking a look at it and communicating back what we see is going on with the data.
Perceptiv is all really about one thing: reduction in downtime for the equipment that you're running that is critical to your operation. With Perceptiv, what we do is we tell you when that equipment is potentially about to fail, and because of that, that can turn reactive maintenance that causes you dollars and cents associated with that downtime to proactive maintenance, where you're now being able to identify, repair, or replace any of the equipment on site before it causes any sort of failure within your operation.